It's not.
Oh my god. Is this real?
No, it's all fake.
It's fake.
Oh my god.
We're going to take a vacuum and suck it all out of here and it'll be right back to normal.
Dana, it's like it's not even the same.
It's not.
She hadn't been over here till 3 o'clock at night for the last 3 nights or anything.
This is not real.
For real.
Oh my gosh, Dana.
You like it?
Stop.
You like it?
It's totally me.
I know. I interviewed you, remember? You thought it was for the
I've
other
never had
bedroom, didn't you?
anything like this. It's been just totally me.
I know. It's
See,
awful, isn't it?
You've been in Hollywood and then you come home to
know.
this.